Welcome back to my channel, everyone. So this video isn't the usual stuff that I'd post on my channel, but basically what happened was it was Sunday afternoon and I just had like a wild idea come into my head to basically spray my bike. Now, I couldn't stand the blue and the silver like paint scheme on the bike. The Boardman logo was too much. I felt like I was an advert on wheels. I completely hated it. The stickers on the wheels were driving me mad. So what I thought I would do, got to about 4:30 in the afternoon yesterday, and I went down to Halfords. I went to go and collect some khaki green paint, and what my intention was just to get the bike cleaned up, not bother sanding, not bother priming anything, just spraying it. I just literally wanted to get it sprayed. I did want to, however, take the crank off and also the chain, but I couldn't get a crank remover tool or a chain splitter tool from Halfords. They were out of stock. So I bought some paint. It cost me £7.99. I then missioned my way to my local newsagent, and the reason for that was because obviously I couldn't take the chain off and the crank set and stuff like that. I decided to get some newspaper and just tape everything up that I wasn't going to spray. So all the forks got taped up and covered, the handlebars, the chain, the crank arms, everything. So the guy in the newsagent was really helpful. He just said to me, take a load of Friday ads. I've got loads of them. They're free. Don't worry about buying the newspaper. So I saved a bit of money there as well. Yes, I walked out of there with like 4 or 5 Friday ads, papered it all up, taped it all up, and yeah, got it all prepped, cleaned it. Took me in total to do it about 3.5, 4 hours from start to finish. You'll see in my video, I didn't record every single step. Now, the reason for that, I didn't actually expect to make this video to begin with. I was just recording bits as I was going. So you'll notice that I didn't fully strip down the bike in the video, and I also didn't video me covering all the parts that I weren't spraying with the newspaper and the tape. So yeah, and I also didn't record the part where I sprayed the frame on the first coat. I missed that, so I'm really sorry about that. But you'll see me spraying the second coat on, spraying the forks, and no, not spraying the forks. I lied there. I didn't even film that bit. But you'll see me, yeah, like I say, spraying that, taking the stickers off, and then unraveling the paper at the end. But I hope you find this video useful. I just wanted to show you that you can transform stuff cheap. Like, you don't have to spend loads of money. Part of me was thinking, oh, you know, go and get a chain removal tool, a bloody crank remover and all that, and then having to put it all back together, take it down to my local spray booth, get it sprayed up. But at the end of the day, I didn't want to spend much money or much time on it. I've spent 3.5 hours plus £8. So yeah, absolute bargain. I'm really happy with it. It's come out amazing. So if you're thinking about doing it, just give it a go. Like, don't worry about it. Just take bits off. If you're going to do it though, just make sure that when you take the parts of the bike off, just take some photos or at least a video. That way, when you're putting it back together, you'll remember exactly how it went on. So anyway, I'm going to stop talking now. So yeah, just keep watching the video. You'll see all the steps, and then at the end of the video is the before and after. So cheers. Oh, by the way, if you're new to my channel, please subscribe. That's what I've got to say. And if you've got any questions, leave them below. Bye. So the bike is getting sprayed. I don't like the silver and blue anymore. I'm going to go for a matte khaki green. I'm going to show you me stripping it down and then putting it back together once I've sprayed it. So I missed the important bit of stripping everything down, but what I decided to do, because I didn't have a crank tool, Halford sold out, I didn't have a chain removal tool either, or chain splitter tool should I say, so I've taped everything up, given the frame a good clean, and then just using this camouflage spray paint. It's like a khaki colour, I really like it. So sort of like a camo. I didn't like the silver and blue, you see, so I thought by putting a different colour on, it should make the bike look really good. I'm going to show you me spraying the bike for the rest of the video, and yeah, we'll go from there really. Right, finished product. By all means not perfect, but it's actually quite really nice. So we'll get all the bits back on it, and away we go. Just a little tip for anyone that does this. Don't throw away your spray can in a bin until you've read the drying time. Because I chucked my can away in the bin. Fortunately, I don't know how long the paint needs to dry, so I'm going to have to get it out, and someone's left their Kronenberg can in there, so it's going to stink. So have a go. Which one's going to come first? For fuck's sake. French. Oh, it's still at the bottom. What a mess I've made. These are coming off next. Just going to hair dry them stickers out, can't stand them. Dry by Boardman. I don't know why Boardman put these stickers on there, it just looks so tacky. And this is the only time I ever use a hairdryer. Go now, much better. Got the stickers off. Proper job. So I've sprayed the bike, it's come out really well. However, when putting it back together again, there were blue stickers going across the inside of the forks, and also a Boardman logo on the outside. I just gave them a quick coat of matte black spray, which I had left over from the van, and yeah, you can't see it anymore, it looks really good. So I've got all blacked out forks, the frame is all in khaki, and yeah, can't wait to put it back together and get a good few photos. So here's the finished product. All the forks are sprayed black now. Like I say, I missed that bit to begin with. I didn't realise they were blue until I started spraying, and all the frame is now finished in khaki. Looks so much better than before. And it only cost me £7.99. And a bit of labour from myself, which is free.